Hello.
Hello, good morning. My name is Ifham Ullah.
Hello, Ifham Ullah. My name is Stacy. How can I help you today?
Yeah, thank you so much for helping me. Today, I want to know about the ILS, about business English. What is the differentiate between business English and the general conversation? So, if you brief me about it, it will be better for me.
Okay, there's a very clear difference between all three. Business English is the English that you would use in your day-to-day life at work. So these include phrases, idioms, verbs, and very specific words that are related to business.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we have meetings or business telephone calls, or we perform sales functions, it would be words associated with those specific topics. So it is very different to normal conversational speaking.
Yeah.
Conversational speaking is English that we're just going to use in everyday life when we go to the supermarket, or if we go to visit a holiday destination and those type of things. And then IELTS is exam preparation, and that's to do your English speaking exam for if you travel to another country.
Yeah. So, teacher, could you tell me what is the benefits, advantages of the IELTS whenever, if a person pass the examination of the IELTS, what are the benefits?
The benefits are very different for there's so many benefits because it depends which country you're going to. It depends why you're doing the IELTS, the IELTS. Why would you do the IELTS exam, Ifham?
Yeah, Ifham.
Yeah, but
You're
why
right.
would you be doing the IELTS exam? Because the benefits are very different from every person that does the IELTS exam. You need to say, why are you doing the exam? Are you going to another country? Is it
Yeah,
to
it's
get into
for
another
study.
university? Is it to study further? Why do you
Yeah.
want to know, Ifam?
I wanted to know about Ireland because I want to study abroad. I really passionate to study in America, United States. So that's why I'm asking you. Yeah, but I don't have any knowledge about the IELTS examination, but I'm looking to do it.
Okay, so I can't tell you what the requirements are for the different countries because that's very specific to those countries. I can only tell
Yeah.
you what we do for preparation of the exam.
Yeah. So here I have asked from many people. They responded to me about it. The duration of the IELTS here in Pakistan it is 2 years. So in the 2 years, when you pass the examination, you will get the certificate of the IELTS. After that, you will able to go abroad for study for anything.
Okay, look, from Cambly's side, what we do is we show you how the exam is, or what the exam is about, what questions are asked, and we help you to prepare for the exam. So that's what we do as teachers on Cambly, is we help you
Yeah,
to
yeah.
prepare for the exam.
Yeah, I know. So I think for the preparation of IELTS, the pronunciation and accent, the silent letters in the word are more important to understand. Am I right? Just like silent letter in the word, just like how is the
No,
pronunciation.
if it's very varied. For IELTS, they do want to hear your speaking, but pronunciation is definitely scored on, yes. There's also grammar, there is vocabulary, so it takes the whole context of speech. It's not just about silent letters and pronunciation. We will teach you that, yes, but it's also about the vocabulary choice that you use and your grammar. So there's quite a big portion involved with grammar, and each of those sections is worth 25%. So it's not just pronunciation. Pronunciation is 25% of the exam.
Yeah, vocabulary are more important for IELTS, I think. Difficult alternative vocabulary. I use also Halo application. There are some teachers, native teachers from different country. So every day they discuss about the about the story, about anything about IELTS. So I have learned so many vocabulary, which are using in the IELTS exam. So could you share with me some vocabulary, some alternative vocabulary?
Yeah, we've only got 3 minutes left. Ifham, how long have you been on Cambly?
Yeah, this is my second experience here. I'm
So
happy to
it
you. This is my
really is a very big library on Cambly for the IELTS preparation. We go through each topic that is asked in the exam, and with each topic is very specific vocabulary. Okay, so if you have a look at, I'm just going to very quickly show you one example.
Okay.
I'm just going to open it up for you.
I'm looking. Okay, thank you so much. I'm looking to learn something.
Okay, so on page 5, this one discusses holidays and vacation. These are words that we use to discuss holiday and vacation. We speak about unwind, sightseeing, catch up. We look at phrases. We look at linking words.
I know ketchup. Already I know about ketchup. Ketchup is something. No, ketchup is something, am I right?
No, to catch up with friends or family means to get together and to hear each other's news because you haven't seen someone for quite some time.
Wow. Okay, ketchup. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
We've got 2 minutes left. I think what you need to do is to decide why you want to do the IELTS exam, and then to speak to a teacher who is going to assist you with preparation. We go through each and every single topic, and we go through, there are many, many lessons in the Cambly library to help you to prepare for that. I do help students to prepare for the IELTS exam, and we will start at one point and work our way through, because we can't swap and change and ask one word here and another word there. You need to put it together, okay?
We need to select a topic. If we talk on the specific, topic, so we can share, and you can help me. I can learn something well on the specific way. It is a good. Yeah, you're right. So, can you explain wind, UNWIND, unwind? What
To
does that mean?
unwind means to relax.
What? Can you repeat again?
To relax.
Wow,
So if we
relax.
go on vacation, we like to unwind. We like to relax. Remember, this is talking about holiday and vacation. So these questions are asked in your IELTS exam. Good. Ifham, we've got 40 seconds left. We don't have any more time for questions. I'm going to send you my schedule. If you want to prepare for the IELTS exam, then you're more than welcome to contact me, and we can start from the beginning and work through. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate I appreciate you that you helped me. And sooner or later, I will subscribe you. And from from beginning to the end, you will share and you will
That's
help
right.
me for the ILS
Yes, we will
preparation.
do that.
Yeah. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Ifham. Have a
Yeah.
good
Thank
day.
you so
Bye
much.
bye.
Bye bye.